Welcome, students. Warm welcome for your science period. Yesterday, we did the revision of chapter number 3, that is leaf. Today, we also do the same chapter, leaf, but the topics are different today. Yesterday, we did the green part leaf, their function of leaves, and their uses. Today we will do the topic. The first one is shading of leaves and the second one is compost. We will discuss about these two topics of this chapter number 3 leaf today. The first topic is shading of leaves. As you can see in this picture, children, road is covered with leaves. This is the beautiful picture of shading of leaves. And now your book, and the topic is shading of leaves. I am reading these lines. In certain seasons of the year, we see very many leaves lying on the lawns and the roads. This shows that the leaves of plants are not permanent. Leaves are not permanent. They remain on the plant only till they are able to perform their function well. You know, children, the main function of leaf, they are known as kitchen of the plant. The main function of the leaf is to make food, and they remain on the plant only till they are able to perform their function well. When they become old, the plants shed them off. New leaves then grow up to take place. And there is importance of shading of leaf. The shading of leaves also help the plant to throw out the harmful waste that get collected in its old leaves. This is the importance of shading of leaf. You can also see in this picture shading of leaves. Leaves are lying on the lawn. The old leaves keep on getting shed and new leaves keep coming in their place. This is about shading of leaves. You can see in this picture, children, the color of the leaf become yellow. It means lack of chlorophyll. Because of chlorophyll, the leaf appears green, and this type of leaf is not able to perform their function well, so the plants shed them off. Our second topic is compost. Now, one question, children. Fallen leaves. What should we do with fallen leaves? Should we burn them? No. Burning of leaves is not good because the smoke coming out from these leaves pollute our environment. It may causes air pollution and health problem like irritation of eyes, skin problem, etc. So what should we do with leaves? We should collect them and dump them in a pit or in a wooden box. As you see here, the leftover food, the stem, the straw, etc., the biodegradable part should collected and dumped in a pit, and that can be covered with moist soil for 2 to 3 months, and after 2 to 3 months these become compost. As you can see in this picture, this is compost. You can see small worm is also there. This is compost and it is very useful for plants and crop. Compost makes the soil fertile and helps to plant and crops to grow better. You can see in this picture the green plants. The farmer used compost in his field and the plants you can see grow much better because it increases the compost helps to increase the fertility of soil. This is the back exercise of your book, children. Fill in the blanks. You have done all these A, B, C and question answer part in previous classes. This is your revision class and again we are providing you answers of these all objective question as well as answer the following questions. So note it down please, and the children who had not done these exercise before, this is very useful and important for them also. Back exercise question number A is the common green part of the plant. You have to write the name. Leaves of different plant differ in their shape, size and texture. Question number 1 answer is leaf. Neem and basil leaves are often used for medicinal purpose. The leaves of spinach and methi are used as vegetables. Now, true or false? Neem leaf is often used to protect clothes from insect. Statement is true. Leaves of plant help them to make their own food. Yes, it is right. True. Curry leaves are used to garnish food. True. New leaves take place old leaves. You have just read insteading of leaves. New leaves takes place of old leaves. This statement is also true. Tick the correct option. The leaf of this plant is used as a plate. Answer is banana. This should be used to make compost. Fallen leaves. This leaf is often used to add aroma to the food. Answer is coriander. Today we will do only objective type of question, that is A, B and C of back exercises. I am also providing you answer of these ABC. You can see in this picture. Fill in the blanks, write true or false and tick the correct option. These are the answer for ABC. And your today classwork, children, fill in the blanks. I am also providing you help box and the word written here, function, permanent, right, coriander and compost, and you have to fill the correct word in the given question. In olden days, people used to dash on some types of leaves. The dashed leaves are used for garnishing food. Dash helps plants and crops to grow better. The leaves of plants are not dash. Leaves remain on plants till they are able to perform their dash well. You have to choose the correct answer from the given box. And your homework, children, revise ABC of back exercise. Question number 2, you have to write the answer of this question. How is compost useful for plants and crops? You have to write the answer of this question. Now, this is end of your class. Thank you, children. Stay home, stay safe.